Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from S Automation channel. Today in this session we will discuss one of the experience-based interview question on automation. What is the difference between find element and find elements? So these two types are used to find the elements or a web elements within the web page in a Selenium. And however, there is a difference between these two. So based on the functionality and also the return types. So if you talk about find element, so find element is used to locate a single web element within a web page. When there is a matching of one web element, it will find and execute the functionality. If there is no element found, then it will throw an exception called no such element found exception. And whereas its return type is a web element. In terms of find elements, so find elements is used to find the list of web elements. So whenever you have a HTML DOM with more than one or in the list category like LI and in that it will be a list. So in that situation we can use this find elements, and also if there are more than one web element that is identifying within the page and you wanted to iterate them based on the one by one web element, then you can use this web elements, and its return type is a list. And when there is a no list found, then it will throw as an empty list instead of exception. So this is the two different functionality, and so based on the usage you can use find element or a find elements. So if it is a one element you can use find element, if it is more than one element and you can use a find elements. And there is some ambiguity between using these categories. So based on our HTML DOM structure, you can utilize these two categories. So sometimes find elements may not be able to find one element, whereas find element is used to find because that might be used as a list of div tags. So in the list of div tags you can utilize the find elements, and in the LI UI you can use the find elements. So such cases you can use these categories. Thank you.